Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Discovery 3-litre diesel HSE in Santorini black. This car has previously had 2 owners. As it's part of our approved use, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you are interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle, and then I'll show you all the technology inside. So you have LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, giving the car a real modern exterior. You have 21-inch 5 split spoke diamond tone finish alloys. Going into the back of the vehicle, you've got plenty of space there for 3 passengers, including ISOFIX brackets, which is ideal for families, a centre armrest for maximum comfort, along with heated rear seats, which are definitely a luxury. You also have a powered tailgate, which is really helpful if you do have your hands full. As you can see, you've got plenty of space there in the boot for items such as golf clubs and pushchairs, and can also put the seats down if you do need more room. You have an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one, and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. This vehicle also has black roof rails, fixed side steps and keyless entry. Going into the driver's side, you have Discovery tread plates, electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel, Windsor leather seats, and a sliding panoramic roof at the front, along with a fixed one at the back, allowing a lot more light into the car. This vehicle's done 50,554 miles, and now I'm going to show you the inside. So on your right, you've got memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the car, along with a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Blind spot monitor, which is really helpful for motorway driving and makes it that little bit safer. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter and cruise control, perfect for longer journeys. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. On the screen in front of you, you can view your driver assistance, trip, display settings, and vehicle information. In the middle, you have a touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio. You have many different stations to choose from, keeping the whole family happy. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone and use various apps. A rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, especially if you're not used to a bigger car. Valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control, keeping things like your address safer. And eco data, which tells you how well the car has been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. You also can control your tow bar from inside the vehicle, which means you don't even have to get out. And here's where you connect your Bluetooth, so you click pair new device and do the same on your device, and then you can play your own music. Heated front seats, definitely a luxury, especially in winter. You've also got various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you may be driving the vehicle. And in your armrest you have some storage along with different charging ports. Stepping back outside the car, thank you for watching this video on this stunning Discovery 3-litre diesel HSE in Santorini black, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.